friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make lassi. Here I am making three types of lassis, that is rose, plain yogurt and mango lassi. Lassi is a very popular and traditional yogurt or dahi based drink that originated in the Indian subcontinent. Lassi is a blend of yogurt, water, spices and sometimes fruit. Sweet lassi is a cooling and refreshing drink to have in the peak summers. It is quite popular in Punjab and North India. This sweet lassi which I make at home is not heavy and quite light on the stomach. It is often had as a refreshment or towards the end of a meal. I like to use a wooden churner to make lassi. I try to make lassi as well as masala chas very often during the peak summers. It cools your body. So let's check out the ingredients. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. So let's check out the ingredients. Here I am showing you how I make rose lassi. For that I have taken around 1.5 cup of yogurt. You can take as required. I am just making 1 glass. This is thick yogurt. Add a pinch of salt. It enhances the taste of the lassi. Add rose syrup as required. Some people like it more, some like it less. It depends how you like it. Add a little water and mix it. You can even use the hand blender or the mixie, but I like to do it the traditional way. I have not added sugar at this point. I will taste it, then add sugar accordingly. Churn it for a few minutes and then I felt I needed to add sugar, so I added around 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add a little water. Again, the lassi depends on how thick or thin you like. Sometimes we prefer to eat it with a spoon. Pour it in a glass, and this is optional. I have chopped some cashews and almonds together, roughly chopped them. Just garnish with the nuts. This is purely optional. This is plain lassi, but I have added a few strands of kesar. So let's check out the ingredients. Take yogurt or dahi as much as required. Add in a pinch of salt to taste. For plain lassi you need to add sugar. Add sugar as required. Do not make it very sweet or less sweet. It should be perfectly balanced. Give it a nice good mix and then churn it well. Add a little water and churn it well till it is nice and smooth and creamy. And check out the sugar. I have added a few strands of kesar, that is saffron. It brings out a nice flavor and my family likes it. Pour it in the glass and then you can garnish it with chopped nuts. Sometimes we do like to add just sugar to the thick curd and have it like ice cream. This is the mango lassi. This is made very often in the summer months when mangoes are easily available. Here I have 1 cup of mango puree. I have made this puree by hand. Give it a nice good mix and keep on churning so that it is nice and smooth. Add a pinch of sugar salt, and add yogurt. Here I have, for 1 cup of mango puree, I have added around 1.5 cup of yogurt, because I like thick lassis when mango is concerned. Give it a nice good mix. I haven't added any sugar at this point of time because this mango was quite sweet. Add a little water and churn it well. At this point of time, you can check out for the sugar. If you feel it is a little less sweet, you can add in a little sugar, but I didn't add. It's totally optional to add sugar. Garnish it with nuts and serve it, but have it with a spoon. You can cool this lassis, you can use ice cubes, but I usually make it and keep it in the fridge for some time and then have it. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a try, as this is the summer season. Plenty of mangoes available, so you can make mango lassi. Rose syrup is always there. You can make rose lassi or the plain lassi. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon. Take care.